Everyone, my name is Satvik. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are telling the states and their capitals.
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Chhattisgarh, Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Jharkhand, Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Manipur, Meghalaya, Impal, sorry.
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya, Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Aizawl, Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
very good, Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tirupura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
West Bengal,
Kolkata. Thank you.